As leaks over the last few weeks have revealed, Samsung is working on the Galaxy Watch 6 series. The wearable should launch at the company's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event in late July. While there have also been rumors and reports about the upcoming Galaxy Watch's specs, there have not been any leaks surrounding its price. That's changing now. Yesterday, a source shared alleged pricing information for Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 family, and today another tipster on Twitter has some more details about the smartwatches, and these have seemingly been endorsed by Ice Universe, one of the more well-known leaksters out there. Twitter tipster Ahmed Quader posted some information regarding the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic's supposed battery sizes, corroborating earlier leaks. This isn't the first time we've seen these specs pop up for the upcoming Watch 6 series, which appeared for certification back in March. Capacities back then were the same, so it seems more and more likely that this is the case. Furthermore, these would be welcome improvements over the Watch 5 series and even going back to the Watch 4 Classic. The upcoming wearable series is rumored to feature batteries with 20% higher performance, which might stem from the rumored Exynos chip for the Watch 6 series. Samsung's next wearable processor recently appeared in a Bluetooth certification bearing the name Exynos W930. Rumor has it Samsung may be more interested in providing minor increments of improvements, as those previous leaks stated we could see a 10% boost in performance. This could also mean better efficiency from the chipset. Additionally, the tweet states the Galaxy Watch 6 series will feature 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage. This is pretty similar to the Galaxy Watch 5, which also delivered similar internal memory specifications, although the added RAM should help speed things along. Alleged battery specs for the Galaxy Watch 6 continue to point to better battery life for Samsung's next smartwatches. The Watch 6 is said to get a 300 mAh battery in its 40mm iteration, compared to 284 in its predecessor, and 425 for the 44mm model, which grew from 410. Surprisingly or not, the Watch 6 Classic's 2 sizes will share capacities with the Watch 6. The 43mm model gets 300 and the 47mm version will have to make do with 425 mAh. That's a far cry from last year's Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which came with a comparatively huge 590 mAh cell, but there are still minor improvements across the board when compared to the vanilla Watch 5 models. Anyway, the colors that will most commonly launch in most markets across the world are supposedly graphite and gold for the 40mm Watch 6 and graphite and silver for the rest. As Samsung usually does, there will probably be more hues, each limited to a specific set of markets. Recently, the internet was treated to a series of leaked Galaxy Watch 6 press renders showcasing the device's full design, slimmer bezels on some models, and the return of the rotating bezel. We're approaching Samsung's confirmed late July Summer Unpacked event, where we will learn official details about the new Watch 6 series and the OEM's next wave of foldables. So what are your thoughts on this new specs of the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.